Today we're going to show you how to unbox and assemble a Powergistics core tower. First, you'll want to lay the box flat on the floor. Next, you'll take some scissors and cut the banding off the box, take the top off of the box. After you've taken the banding off, you'll want to take the cover off of the box. Powergistics towers come fully assembled, so it's really just going to be taking out the packaging materials now. Voila! When you open up the tower, you're going to find a few things. First, you're going to have the hardware kit. This is going to have zip ties, it'll have number decals for each shelf, keys, and then also hardware to mount it to the wall. On USB towers, you're going to find the power cord to connect it to the wall and the power strip. And then you're also going to find USB-C cables, like that. We hope you find these tips and instructions helpful as you implement your towers into your classrooms. Included with each tower is also a copy of our master installation guide. That, along with videos and support, are all available on our website.